Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5, and we are learning unit number 6, and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click here, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. So today's lecture is lecture number 3. We will learn about facts and opinions. That how we can identify that is a fact, that is our personal opinion. Okay, so today we will get that. So before in English for grade 3, my dear students, already we have learned how we can share our opinion in front of our class. So already you have learned about opinion. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So today I'm going to teach you about facts and opinions. Both things we have to distinguish. Okay. So our students' learning outcomes are identify an opinion in the text as indicated through these words: think, feel, believe, etc. Distinguish fact from opinion. So first we have to identify opinion. Which words we are using? Think, feel, believe. Okay. And what we have to do next? We have to distinguish. We have to find out that what is fact, what is opinion. So today we are going to get about that. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Mulk, verse number 30, say to them, did you even consider if all the water that you have in the wells were to sink down into the depths of the earth? Who produced for you clear flowing water? Allahu Akbar. My dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that Allah Almighty is asking that, can you ever imagine if we are drinking water, we are getting water from wells, from the depths of the earth. So Allah Almighty is asking that give your opinion. What's your opinion is there? What you will opine if all the water under the depth of the earth will sink down, dried up. Means to sink down mean dried up. So what you will do? Which option would you have at that time? So this beautiful words is telling us about opinion, that how, which opinion would you give? Allah may not do that. Ameen. That Allah Almighty is like Rahman and Rahim. Okay, my dear students. So this is for opinion. So let's see. It is a brainstorming activity for you, my dear students. My dear teacher, be quick and be ready. Get students in different groups and say them to give opinion about winter season. Okay, now winter season is going on. Definitely there is coldness. So what do you think about this season? See, there winter season is going on. Yes, make group and give different opinions. I'm waiting for you and enjoy this activity in your class. Welcome back. I hope now, my dear teacher, you have also collected different opinions. Someone like this, I think that, I feel that. What do you feel also that? How is winter season? Okay, good job. So now there are few things I have highlighted for you here also. There are 5 vowels in English alphabets. Oh, is this correct? So do you agree, my dear students? Wow, yes, there are 5 vowels in English alphabets. Definitely there are 5 vowels. Good. Let's see another example and read out. Have you read? Okay. I think animals should not live in zoos. What do you think? It's my opinion that I think animals should not live in zoos. Okay. Have you got that? Okay, let's see that now. What are facts and what is opinion? A fact is a statement that is real or true, or a thing that can be shown to be real or true. That you can see that, my dear student, a fact is a universal truth that we can prove. This is fact. Okay, and we can prove, and this is real. Reality we are discussing in fact. There it is a daytime. See there, it is daytime. So you are sitting in your class, you are getting your lecture, you are in school. So which is this time? Definitely it is daytime. So can you prove it wrong? No, because it is fact. It is daytime. Yes, good. And next is the sun is stationary. Okay, this is also fact. So do you know that the sun is stationary? It doesn't move at all. Earth is moving around the sun, but our sun doesn't move. Okay, this is fact. The sun is stationary. It's like motionless. Have you got? And this is fact. In this way, we cannot change fact at all, my dear students. This is the way that, suppose how many students you have in this time in your class? Collect, count, hurry up, hurry up. I'm waiting for you. Count. Suppose you have 10 students, 12 students, near about 20 students. So you have 20 students in your class. So this is fact. Yes, so this is fact that you have 20 students in your class. Have you got? Good. So next, the earth is the third planet from the sun. See there? So the earth is the third planet from the sun. So can you change this fact? No, we cannot change. This is fact. Definitely this is, you can see that is Mercury, Venus, Earth. 1, 2, 3. This is fact. Third planet from the sun. So have you got that? This is the real concept about facts. Let's see what are opinions. Opinions are statements that reflect the views or ideas that people have about subjects and topics. So my dear students, keep remember that always opinions are our personal views, that what we have about a thing, about anything else, about persons, about places. So these are our personal opinions. Okay, personal thought, personal ideas are called opinions. Suppose like I say that I think that there is coldness. Maybe someone is not feeling coldness, maybe, but it's my opinion that there is coldness. Okay, so this is such type of statements are called opinions. Okay, see there, the fish tastes delicious. Okay, the fish tastes delicious. It is possible that someone doesn't like fish. It doesn't look delicious to someone. So it can be. So it is an opinion. This is personal opinion. Okay, it tastes delicious to me. Maybe it is not delicious for anyone else. Okay, got it? Next is English is an interesting subject. English is an interesting subject. So this is my also personal view, my opinion. Maybe maths is an interesting subject. Someone can say Urdu is an interesting subject. Islamiyat can be an interesting subject for anyone else. In this way, opinion can be changed from person to person. Everyone has different opinion. Have you got? Maybe you like maths. I like English. Okay. Next, the cake is so yummy. Wow, this cake is so yummy. I think it is looking also. You will also agree that this cake is so yummy. Okay, this is also my opinion. Anyone's opinion. It can be changed, vary to vary from different people's. Have you got? Good. See that. Now let's see what does your book says about facts and opinion. Fact, a true statement. A fact can be tested and proven. Opinion, someone's feelings or beliefs about a topic. These cannot be proven true or false. Following are the keywords associated with opinions like believe, think, should. Okay? These were mostly we are using for opinion, that it's my belief that there would be holiday tomorrow. Suppose this is my belief, it can be changed. Okay? And think, I think we should move now. So it's my opinion, maybe we should not. Also I have used word should. Should is also used for opinion, for suggestion. You should offer prayer regularly. That is my suggestion, my opinion. But this is a fact also. We should also offer prayer regularly. Good. Facts. The sun is hot. This is fact. Do you agree? Definitely we can prove also. B is the second letter in the English alphabet. Oh, B is the second. Count. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. A, B, yeah, B is the second letter in the English alphabet. Good job. There are 12 months in a year. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Count. How many months? Be quick, be quick. Yes. Oh, you have tested that. So this is fact and we cannot change. We cannot say no, there are 13 months in a year, there are 10 months. No, because this is fact and we cannot change. Let's see opinions. I believe hard work is key to success. I believe hard work is key to success. The fish tastes delicious. Already we have discussed. It's my belief that hard work is key to success. Maybe we can say regularity. We can say like strong will is key to success. Different people have different opinion about this key. Okay, so have you got? Good job. So let's move towards an activity. There is an interesting activity for you. Be quick. Yes, my dear teacher, what you have to do? Teacher will divide class in 2 groups. Hurry up, get your class into 2 groups. Be quick. Next, what you have to do? Teacher will write a statement on the board and ask group 1 students to vote on whether it is a fact or an opinion, and then have students explain their reason. Yes, few sentences will be on the board and student will have to vote whether it is a fact or an opinion. You have to identify, okay? Next, and after identification, you have to give reason also, okay? Be careful. Teacher will write a statement on the board and ask group 2 students to vote on whether it is a fact or an opinion, and then have students explain their reason. One student for one group, one statement, and next statement for next group. So have you done, my dear students? Good. Next, what you will do? This activity will go on till the time all the students from both groups have participated. Okay, you have to do it. If you will give wrong answers, so you will lose your marks. There is a competition between you. So be quick and be ready and perform this activity in your class and then come back. Good job. Welcome back. It's my belief also that you have done with it nicely. Good. So now it's our time to perform an individual activity on page number 49. Question number 8 is there. Read each sentence and write its fact or opinion. So these are the statements for you in front of you on your book. You have to write whether it is a fact or an opinion. So to do this activity on your book. Good job. I hope you have done with it and teacher have checked your performance. Good. So next is also there a little bit there, scrambled sentence. In scrambled sentences, words are jumbled up. We arrange the words in right order in scrambled sentences. These types of sentences are developed to learn sight words and sentence structure. Okay, in scrambled sentences, words are jumbled up. So we have to arrange the words in right order in scrambled sentences. Okay, so let's see that how. Okay, read that, my dear students. Read with me. Hurry up. My is favorite basketball sport. Okay, so have you got, what is this? Can you judge? What is the sense of this sentence? Definitely no, because this is not arranged alphabetically and grammatically. When sentences are not arranged grammatically, then these such type of sentences doesn't give any sense. So let's see now, we are going to arrange them. Okay, basketball is my favorite sport. Wow, now we have got that. What is the sense of this sentence? So that is called scrambled sentence. It's okay? See there. Now we are going to change into interrogative. Is basketball my favorite sport? So question mark is compulsory there. Okay. Have you got? Then now we can change. There is, the words are rearranged. So then we have arranged the words and we have got a sentence, proper sentence structure. After that we have changed into interrogative sentence. So what's your homework for today? Write question number 7 given on book page number 48 in your notebooks. There is question number 7. You have to settle these sentences. Okay, this is your homework for you. So there is worksheet, my dear teachers. This worksheet link is given below. You should provide it to your students in correct order, and they might be able to distinguish facts and opinions. So what we have learned today? We learned that fact is a statement that is real or true, or thing that can be shown to be real or true. We learned that opinions are statements that reflect the views or ideas that people have about subjects and topics. We learned to distinguish fact from opinion. We also learned about scrambled sentences. So in this way, we have covered up our SLO, identify an opinion in the text as indicated through these words: think, feel, believe, etc. Distinguish fact from opinion. So this was our today's SLO, and we have covered up it nicely. Good job, great job, my dear students, and you have enjoyed also. Excellent job for today's lecture. So tomorrow with a new lecture. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah.